Today we are going to unbox the cube and the timer. So let's start from the cube. This is our 4x4. So let's open it. This is our cube 4x4. You will receive one stand with this. It looks like this. You will also got the coupon. And with this you will got this. Let's open it. There will be some springs. A manual, a screwdriver, and some magnets. Now let's go to the 5x5. This is our 5x5 Rubik's cube. It looks like this on the stand. This is a box. Now let's put it. Now let's move forward to the 6x6. This is the 6x6 Rubik's cube. Now we are going on this cube. Then you will open it. You will got a manual. This is our skewb. Now let's go to the timer. You will also receive this coupon and one stand. Now let's open it. When you will open it, you will receive a manual. This is for the mat and this is our timer. For using a timer, use this, then put hand on this. When the green lights come, you can put up your hand. And when your cube is done, then you can stop it, like this. Thank you.
If you can show us once how you are doing it.
Okay. Now let's start. "15 seconds.
Okay, good.
This is our 2x2 and this is our 3x3.
And that liquid that you are going to
This powder of liquid.
what is the use of it?
In every phase you can put one drops
For?
for lubrication.
That is for reducing the friction between the moves.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.